Hello gamers, welcome to the stream. Alright, let's check if the stream has started. Just a second. So what I want to do here is show you something called day trading. Some of you know what it is, some don't, but you'll catch as we go through the stream. I'll try to explain as best as I can what I do. I will try to explain without using too many technical terms, because in this sphere there's a lot of technicalities. I don't want to go through that. I want to go pretty much as simple as possible, try to earn a little bit, but this is all play money. I don't have anything in real money yet, so I'm practicing now, trying to save as much as I can. So the starting point is 100,000, and I did get some gain, and I do have some over here. This is not a loss because the equity is what you get at the end. So as you can see, I have a lot of in red, but that's no problem because we're waiting for gains. So let's begin. Let's see what we start with. Probably unusual this, but we're gonna play this as a game because it's a play money. It's nothing real. So don't get too excited here. We're not gonna lose or not gonna win any real money. So this is just a play. If you want, hope you can see the URL. I'm in Serbia, so this is a Serbian stock exchange, or I think it's called CDFs or something like that. So what you're gonna do is follow these charts or graphs. Hope you can see them. Let me enlarge a few of them. Let's enlarge this one, for example. And over here you can see, wow, there's a lot of gain here. Maybe I should buy a few. Let's buy like one lot. That's a lot, but let's go with that. All right. So as you can see, I did buy a little bit. So what I start with is straight up from negative, because there's a little margin of something that need to be met before I start gaining something from this investment, let's say. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to these currencies, whatever it's listed here. So there's favorites. There's currencies and favorites. There's gold, like usual stuff, like you have dollars, conversion stuff like euro to USD. As you can see, euro kind of gains a little bit, but there's not too much difference. Now you can see GBP is gaining a little more. As you can see here in it says 0.31%. Australian dollar to USD, it's losing a little value. Gold is gaining value. You can see the graph over time. This is how gold change. I actually wrote an article why gold raises value during crisis. Might share that. I mean, it's on my website. You can find it. Just search gold, and you'll find that article. But yeah, the usual stuff are here, like USA 500 top companies. Germany 30. Germany 30 is steady growth. Let's see. Yeah, we cannot buy though. It's not active. Not buy into it. All right. You can go not only with gainers. You can go with losers, meaning with the highest drop. So SNAP is has a lot of drop, but we're not gonna go with that right now. We're gonna focus on only one or two things at a time. So now let's see where we're starting here. All right, see if we have any gainers. Okay, let's see what's the highest loss. I want to cut the losses. You can see how I'm gaining or losing here. So open P&L, it's going to be an indicator. Oh, we got 20 pounds. Hello, Hilderus. Thanks for joining. Guys, if you want to ask any questions, to explain to you some terms or anything in particular from the screen that you see, Just ask in the comment section. This is not overcrowded channel, so I can explain. I can take a lot of more time to explain to you. I'll try to help you out if you wanna ask any question. All right, 20 pounds. I assume that was. I think it's pounds. I'm not sure. It's not. I don't think it's euros. Euro would be with two. Would be C. This is pounds. I'm pretty sure. All right, that's really nice. Thank you very much. All right, as you can see, we're kind of covering here around minus 3,000, but since I started from 100,000, I have a little gain in total. So let's see if we can get all right, we get one in green here. NZD USD. Let's go and check it out. So that should be here. New Zealand, no. Let's go all and go currencies. Let's go major. All right, NZD. What did it say here? Okay, it's hovering here around 0. So I'm not gonna call it anything. So this is the one. Let's check it out. Let's see the graph. How it oh, it's going down. Why it's green here when it's down? This is kind of messed up. But let's see also this thing called RSI. So this is what I wanna see before I invest anything, because let's actually turn off this one. All right, so this one is a down spiral. All right, so I'm not sure what to think of this. As you can see in this lower graph, can I actually change a little bit? All right, there we go. So this graph kind of goes on down spiral, but I don't think it's gonna go too much down. But I'm not sure yet. If it changes a little course, I might go with this to buy. So for now, some of these are buy, some others are sell. Let's see. Apple, we have Apple here. All right. What should I do with this one? Let's see. Yeah, this is like it's in a down spiral, but not sure if it's gonna keep going down. So the thing is, I'm not gonna look at it. Yeah, just gonna close it. Okay, cannot close it. I need to open something else. All right, let's see what else do we have invested here. GBT TRI. That's a new one I took. All right, where it is now. All right, there we go. All right, now we can close this one. And here, let's see a little more if this is correct. Take. It's a mess. May go up, may go down, you never know. So, what did I take to buy? All right. It's gonna be tricky to get anything from it, but we'll leave it a little bit. We don't mind. As you can see, we're kind of going down now. We're actually up because it's a minus. We started with 3,000 here, so we're kind of gaining a little bit. Let's see what the gainers now. What is my biggest investment? That's the most important thing. Okay, here, Moderna. Let's see Moderna. Where is Moderna? All right, let's go. Not currencies. We don't want currencies. Can you close this? All right, never mind. Let's go. Hold on. What's Moderna? Is this United States Moderna? We can look in Coca-Cola as well for now, but it's not trading right now, so hold on. Oh yeah, United States here. All right, let's look at the graph, how it's going on. I guess it's hovering, no major changes. Yeah, it's kind of flat, unpredictable. All right, and don't want to leave it because even though it's in minus, still doesn't move much. All right, let's see here. NZD USD in sell. All right, interesting. We got 0. All right, let's go again here. Let's go A to Z. That's all list. That's NZD US. Come on, there we go. We're gonna close Moderna. We cannot do anything there yet. Yeah, let's just look at the graph. What's going on here? Because I'm selling. I guess this is dropping. We might. Yeah, this is raising. All right. Not much happening. It's kind of unpredictable still. The reason why I'm selling because the graph is going down, but it might go up. You never know. It's still low. This graph doesn't show. Come on, let's enlarge this somehow. If you look at the other graph, it's still going down somehow, but it's kind of flat on it, so I'm not gonna gain anything there. All right, we can close that. It's not interesting. Yeah, it's covering, maybe going a little down now, but it's less than $1. I have like thousands in some stuff, like Moderna here, and what else is in thousand? All right, look at this GPT TRI. We can copy that. Maybe we get a little more there. All right, we start with minus 30. Maybe again a little bit more there. All right, gold is gaining. All right, can get gold a little bit. Copy gold. All right, what is else on 1000? Okay, we got AUD USD. It's 700. 800. Oh, that's very fluctuating, you know. I'm buying here. Why am I buying this one? I don't know. It's kind of stable, let's say. All right, we'll leave for now. We'll just leave it. As you can see, it's still going here. We started with minus 3000. We're going down, we're going hovering now. I don't want to just kick all the losses because they might be investment for later. We might see gain. I pretty much invested where it's too low on this graph. RSI is also leveling up or going other direction. We don't have much gain. This is on the top. Look at this. So it can go further up a little bit. Yeah, it's not actually crazy fluctuating, but GBP is kind of going up now. Okay, Euro is still going strong, but yeah, I don't want to change anything there yet. All right, let's see. Maybe we have some gainers now. No. All right, let's do gainers. Let's go with gainers. Okay, this is also my big investment, but no much changes. I cannot do anything. It's closed. Let's see which one of these gainers is open. Okay, natural gas. Let's see what natural gas does these days. Okay, it's going up in general trajectory. Okay, let's go here. Kind of seems it's going up, but you never know what's gonna change. All right, let's get some gas, natural gas. We're gonna buy like one and get that one. So we're still below 3000. I might get a little more. Just want to get some data how it's fluctuating. If it's gaining, that's great. We can copy that, but we'll see. Gold in general is still in the rise, but it's still fluctuating. You can see it here. I'm almost home, like 5 minutes. All right. So Caesar, I, I will get used to that logo. Whenever I see it, I think of not McDonald's, but some fast food chain. I'm not sure, but still, maybe it's McDonald's. I don't know, but it kind of reminds me of some of what's called French fries. Yeah, French fries with a crown when it's a small on phone. Because when I look on phone from distance, your logo looks like French fry from McDonald's. All right. Anyway, let's go down. Okay, we're going below 3,000. Come on, gas. We need gas to go up, 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 up. Come on, right. It's still hovering. It's not changing much. How about euro? We cannot change euro anyhow. All right, let's go. Keep looking here. So gold we can. Gold is pretty much always open, and it does rise. Yeah, we are buying that. We're gonna look into that. If this gets into green again, we're gonna go more and more into gold. That's an interesting path now. It's not gonna go crazy. As you can see, it's pretty level these days. But you never know. We're gonna keep an eye on gold. We took a few. Like 001, that's too low. But still, gold is valuable, so even 001 is gonna be a lot if keep rising. Okay, let's go. What is this going down? AUD USD, it's around 1,000. And I'm buying that one. I don't know. Can be. I will keep it like that. I'm not gonna change anything for now. I'm not gonna cut the losses too soon. All right. But you pretty much can see how this works. It's on 4Trade. I'm not sure if it's available worldwide, but it is available in Serbia in capital.rs. And now they have integrated this into capitalrs.com, so people can use this for commercial use, you know. But I use just for play money here, just to as a game and see if I if I get something correctly. I don't know. But like 10 years ago, I first got interested in this, and I was playing a little bit with this. It's probably on Forex or something like that. But these days, I think this one is more fun, kind of simpler. But in general, they're the same, just trading this stuff and watching prices if they go up or down. I mean, gold, not going to be that much interesting. Let's see. Let's scroll all the way down, see what else. Palladium. What's palladium? I know that's the. Okay, so precious metals are not that interesting these days. They're leveling up. They're not going crazy high. Maybe buy like smallest just to see the gain or loss. Yeah, let's go with palladium as well. So we can check here the changes. If that goes in green very quickly, we might just shove it all in with palladium, but not all in, but like high margins here. I still have a lot of available margin. I only use like a third of it, 35,000. I don't have any background music. You guys want some background? Let's see if we can find some background music. Something not copyrighted. Let's see this one. It's no copyrighted stuff, but if you guys don't like it, just tell me in comments. I might change. This can get very boring because it's just number game. Wow, we're going all the way below 3000, but we're not gonna get scared because we're not using all the margin here. Still safe. Come on, I'm kind of waiting to see if there's anything in the green, if anything passes into green. But I don't know. So Palladium is dropping down. Maybe I shouldn't buy that, but it's the cheapest one, so we'll see. But you can actually, in some situation, you can actually earn if you buy and sell in the same time. So for example, here I have Moderna on sell and I have Moderna on buy. Very little on sell and very little on buy, and both of those are in losses, so that means we don't have a big fluctuation in price now, so it's pretty stable. And I use that as an indicator. I just buy, like, if I buy high, if I buy a lot, I will sell a little bit just to see if fluctuation are going in the opposite direction, so I can look at the graph again. So this is my indicator. Just buy a little bit and see how it goes. All right, Palladium. Let's see. Only thing we're selling is euro, and we still don't have any greens ones. And we're still dropping here with 3000 and below. All right, not too crazy, but we'll keep an eye on everything. All right, we have NZD USD. All right, it's on sale. Let's check it out. Maybe I have it still here. Let's see. So, NZD USD. All right, it's this one. Palladium. We're gonna look in the Palladium as well. Let's see how it fluctuates now. Okay, it's going down. All right. Not stable that it's gonna go too much down, but we'll keep it there. Whatever. It's very low. If it go down, that's gain for me, but you never know. At least we have something in green. All right, it's still going up or still going down. For me, it's up. All right, interesting. But it's all the way to the minimum. I don't know. We'll leave it. It's nothing basically. 006. I have like thousands here. All right, nothing there. Even though it's on the low. Well, let's see better. Yeah, it's still going down. But I don't think there's point keeping that because it's a currency. It's not going to be something that's going to go too much up and down. So I don't know. Should we just cash in this 6 and close that? I've got too many indicators here. Too many investments. I cannot keep an eye on all the graphs. If I just get a few graphs, That would be fine, but there's nothing happening. A lot of interesting stuff are closed, like Microsoft. What else can be interesting here? Yeah, look it up. There are a lot of things that are not available. Gold is pretty much everywhere the same, but I'm not gonna go into that. Germany is interesting, but I cannot get into that. Gasoline is interesting. It's going down though. Should we just sell a few gasolines? Get one. Damn, it's expensive. It's going very fast now down, but we'll see. Alright, they're closing to 4,000. Still no big gain. Alright, let's see. Yeah, there's nothing going on now. Pretty early on the market. So many things need to open up. Heating oil as well. Come on, I want gainers. Come on, gainers, give me something. Okay, look at that. NZD is now on 0. It's -2. It's kind of dropping a little bit, but it's very little. Hovering around 0, that's nothing. Nothing worth investing or paying attention to. Come on, gasoline, go down. Gasoline should be cheap, man. It cannot stay high. Why would people spend money on gasoline these days? Just stay home. They can get a little gains here. Whatever. We passed 4,000. Wow. What is going down here too much? Okay, I think we need to keep an eye on AUD USD. That's an interesting change. Okay, let's clear a little bit here. I will keep... we don't need Palladium. Gasoline is interesting. Whatever. Let's keep an eye on AUD USD. I'm buying there, but probably should be selling. All right. Let's sell the smallest one. All right, sell, and see how that goes. Nothing changes in green, and look at that, we're below 4,000, so everything is hovering now. Whatever. No greens now. Come on, Apple. Apple, I'm buying Apple, but Apple is still staying strong. What's going on with Apple? Let's see. Alright, let's see the graph of Apple. It did gain a little value, but not that much. Kind of flattening now, I think. You never know with this one. I cannot buy, I cannot do anything with it. I do have like the smallest one in to buy, but still low. If I buy now, it's still low gain. It's not much. It's not worth the margin. Alright, let's go most popular, and we're gonna go with active ones. Okay, what's going on with copper? Let's see copper. It's going down a little bit. Should we sell a little bit? Yeah, let's keep an eye on that one, because it's most popular. Just got the smallest one there. Alright, natural gas. I do have a little in buy, but nothing going on. Still no gas changes. Apple, we don't need Apple. Apple is not fun. USD, NZD, USD, it's not fun much. It's falling a little bit, but not fun. Not grateful. Come on. Just wait for grains. I have a lot of margin to use. I'm just checking the market now, seeing what would be interesting. There's too much gold. We not need that much. And I got gasoline, so pretty much just normal stuff here. Okay, USA. Let's see this USA how it's going. It's down spiral now. Do we sell US? Do we sell US? Okay, let's sell smallest one. If that goes green, we're gonna invest a little more. Is it high? Yeah, it's pretty high there. That can be an interesting thing for today, like USA 30, that can go down. How about USA Tech? Oh, interesting one. We get should we sell one or 001? Yep, let's sell and see how that goes. So we get USA Tech and USA 30 on I, but still nothing in green. Still no interesting exchanges or value gains or whatever. And we're still hovering around 4,000. We started around 2,000, sorry, 3,000, but I did invest a little bit. So still not huge changes. We're hovering that point. Let's investigate other things. Okay, get bonds. Let's see bonds. Are they low or high? Okay, they seem high. Hold on, I need to see the RSI here. It's still flat. There's nothing interesting here. Maybe a little gain, but yeah, we'll just get one, the smallest one, and see how it goes. Alright, we got 3 USA. Let's see if USA will be interesting. No. All 3 are on sell. Interesting. By the way, you can see my closed trades here. I closed one on minus, but most of them are gains. Like, this is the biggest one. Germany was hot yesterday. Or not yesterday, a few days ago. I think it's Friday. USA 500, I get 80 and 70 here. Germany, yeah, Germany, look at that. Germany was the hottest. And USA 500 as well. But I know Germany was pretty sweet, yes, a few days ago. Moderna as well. I do have a lot of in Moderna now, about 1,000. So if prices change there, I can scale up as well. And then pennies, I get like a few cents here and there. I do have a losses at the beginning because I was testing the market as I'm doing right now. So if it goes all the way down, you can see there's everything in red. But not huge, like I just testing the market. I just let it slide a little bit. But very quickly I did regain that. You can see this 23 is pretty much covering everything. And I got like Germany. I caught Germany very early, as you can see, and that was a huge gain. And I got like 1600. That's like insane. Let's go the same strategy and see if we do any good. All right, look at that. USA 30 is on the green. All right, let's go more investing to sell in USA 30. All right, let's go and sell. Let's go. Should we go with half or just 0.1? All right, let's go 0.1 first. And I'm gonna close this one with a gain, whatever. It's only 10. But now we have bigger one, so. Okay, if I zoom out, this can go all the way down. If this go into green, we're gonna go even more. All right, let's see. Nothing else is in green. Apple is staying there. Cisco is not doing nothing. I'm selling Cisco, but nothing, no changes whatsoever. NZD now it's again below 0. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. We need gold. Well, I'm not investing much, but I would like to if it changes into green. All right, look at that. GBP TRI. All right, let's collect these gains. We're gonna copy that one with another one. We're gonna take the gain. All right, let's go. GBP TRI. It may be the biggest gain here. Let's see. Maybe we find a good ticket here. GBP TRI. I need to open it. Come on. Where is it? All right, it's here. Okay, I'm buying that one. All right, might go crazy up, but let's wait until this one reaches green. We're gonna close that. I'm gonna buy a little more. Maybe it's a bigger gain. We'll see. Do we have anything else into green? This might start getting interesting more and more. If this goes up again into green, I will buy a huge chunk. We'll go like 10,000 margin. So we're gonna get like 50-50 here. Like if this goes 50,000, this will go 50. All right, let's wait. And look at that, we dropped a lot below 4,000, so we're good for now. Nothing is in green now. Alright, we're dropping to 4,000. Let's see what's changing. Nothing much. I guess it's just fluctuation levels. Alright, nothing too bad here. Come on, USA, get into green so I can invest into you. Still hovering. I don't know. We just explore. Let's take this time to explore, because there's nothing really interesting. Let's go with most popular. See what's interesting here. Euro. What's going on here? Yeah, look at that. GBP TRI, it's gaining now a lot. No, I'm gonna get hold on. Let's buy 10 of these. Let's buy those. USA 30. Let's get USA 30. I'm gonna buy one here. Not gonna buy 10. I'm just gonna go a little safer. Okay, we're around 4,000 again. Not bad at all. Alright, we might drop a little bit, but it's alright still. I did close one. Look at that, I did close two here. So we're plus like $200 now, so that's good. And no gains, no losses. Wait, is that pounds? Yeah, it's pounds. Alkaline, yeah, I'm not watching stream, I'm just streaming, as you can see. Well, there's a lot of interesting stuff, mostly gold, platinum, natural gas, palladium, gasoline, heating oil, different stuff here. I get currencies, mostly currencies here. Okay, USA 30, it's kind of gaining, it's on 0. We should probably close this small one, because we don't need indicators that much, because we already have an open one. Alright, let's see if we can close this one and gain. A little gain will be fine, we don't need much. Alright, let's close on 2, we don't need that much. And equity is still above 100,000, which is where we started, so that's pretty good. Yeah, nothing is in positive here, but everything is closed. As you can see, you cannot buy anything. Bayer is closed as well. Shell, for example, interesting Shell, because it sells, cannot trader, cannot get into that. All right, I don't care what it is. These are all just numbers for me. I'm not sentimental to like what I'm trading here. Alright, let's see gainers. Siemens is interesting, but I cannot do anything there, so let's just close that. Let's see any gainers that are open, like natural gas, we don't need that. Gold, we have that one. Alright, let's go all the way down, see what else we have. Come on, just gold. Gold, silver. What silver? Silver is the same. Wait. Hold on, I need to see the RSI on this one. Maybe silver is hot today. No, not search. Come on. Ah, I need to go like this. Come on. There we go. Alright, silver down. Let's see how silver does. RSI. Alright, let's see. Not much. It's not changing up or down. Just gonna buy one, like the smallest one. See how it goes. And we'll close this one. It's not interesting. Alright, this one doesn't seem much interesting, but let's go here. Let's see if we have any gainers now. Alright, what's interesting? What's interesting? Still no gainers, still nothing. But we did close like a few for today. 200 and a few dollars gain. Alright. And I did use like 50,000 margin, so we can chill a little bit now. It just has to be some ingrained for me to continue, or I can just take an indicator like the smallest one. Let's see what else we have like below this in gainers, but all the way down, something interesting. Okay, here Poland, what's this? Polish ELN. Maybe it's not Poland, maybe it's like Indonesia. It doesn't have any fluctuations here. Yeah, there's no big up and down, so that's not interesting at all. There's US and Mexico. Let's see that one. See the graph for US and Mexico. It's going down, I guess. Can be interesting, but let's see. Yeah, there's no big fluctuation. There's a little bit, but not interesting actually. I'll buy just one, just follow it, I guess. See if we get any positive from that one. Alright, let's keep going here. USA 500. Wait, do I have 500 USA here? I have tech 100. I have 30. Let's go with 5. What's happening with 500? Let's see. It's going down. It's kind of fluctuating though, but I'll just buy one, see, just the one smallest one. Alright, see how that goes. And we'll close that because it's not interesting. Alright, do we have... Let's see Euro. Euro's crazy now. Yeah, look at that Euro going up and down. This can be up trajectory. Just buy one and see how it goes. And close, because it's not interesting right now. Alright. Canadian and Swiss. Let's see how they stack up. We'll buy just one, just maybe go up. I'll buy this one to see. Alright, that's it. Let's see what else is on our list here. This is not interesting. GBP TRI kinda is interesting, but still no gains, so we need to wait. Need to wait to collect, and my margin is on 50% or so. A little more though, so we gotta chill a little bit. Gold is not interesting, we can close. NZD is not interesting, copper is not interesting, nothing is interesting here. So yeah, all of these are just gonna leave like GBP TRI. until it gets interesting there. All right, what happened to background music? What do you mean? Don't you hear background? I don't want to make it too loud. Come on, we need gainers, we need gainers. Oh, look at that. GBP TRI, we have gainer. We can close this one, because we have already one. In the open, that's 10. Alright, come on. That can be a good investment for now. Alright, look at that. We are now below 4,000 and we did get some closed deals here. So we're at... How much would this be? So look at this, 18.4. So we got 5, 1, 10, 125, 82, 2, and 10. Nice, we got gains. Come on, we need gains on the open trade as well. If we can get like 104,000 during this stream, that's gonna be very steep. I'm really not sure if we have capacity for that, but we'll see. Everything is in the loss. Look at that, Aurora Cannabis, like what? That's an interesting graph. I mean, that's an interesting trade, but it's not open, so we cannot look in that. We're just gonna chill for now. Let's see again. Not the most popular, maybe something else is open. All right, we're still hovering around 4,000, a little below, but and we collected some gains, so not bad, not bad. Equity is back above 101,000. We were close to 100,000, but still fine, still no big of a deal. Oh, we have some gainers. Let's see here. We can close. Ah, come on. Go up, up, up. We need this up. Oh, there we go. Gonna wait a little bit. That seems hot today. Need to zoom in. don't want to close it because it's interesting one. I don't care if it's a loss. I want to have it open. Let's just watch that one. Can be hot today because can go up a little bit, or we'll see. Can even fall down, but I don't know really. Something has to start to stick up. I have a lot of open graphs here. A lot of indicators open, but nothing going through. Get a little jump, but not too much. Minus 300, still fluctuating. We'll just leave it, whatever. Or I should close and open with a smaller one, I don't know. I probably need to get back to indicator. So let's go and buy one. Just gonna buy not one, but 001, alright? We'll have one indicator, and let's see if this goes up again, so we can close it on positive. We don't have any loss. I don't want to close in loss. That makes no sense. Why would I do that? Alright, let's see. No changes now. We're waiting investors to go into the trade now. Come on, investors. I mean, this is currency. There's not gonna be any investors. This is just a market fluctuation. The thing about this market is, as you can see, there's a lot of currencies, and there's a lot of big gains and losses here, which is great. This is why they're popular. But they can be boring. Sometimes they can take forever. You need to wait sometimes days to get fluctuation to go in your way. But we don't need to close it. It can go its own way. Let's go again through the list, see, and if any green. All right, get USA 500 minus 001. So that might go up now. Nothing else is in green. Yeah, no changes here. Alright, let's see gainers. Is there any change in gainers? Modernists, they're not available. No gainer is available. I cannot get into that. Moderna probably because of vaccines. Plug power because of its loss. But now it's back on the gain. See the graph again. If I zoom out, you can see it did have a big drop, so that's why it's popular, because people expect it to kind of level up in the low price, in the very cheap. It could happen. It's not that low, but it's still very low, very cheap. Anyway, let's close that. That's not interesting. This is dropping a little bit. No big deal for now. Alright, Siemens, big gain, but it's peaking now, but it's not available for trade, so zero interest in that. And nothing good is open. Like, what's this? Natural gas. Do I have one? Yeah, I do have one, but I bought one, but it's still low. USA 30. It's alright, I guess, for now. Minus 10. It's fluctuating still. And only currencies. We don't have anything open. I guess we need to wait until US gets open so we can trade a little more. We can only look into currencies and gas, gold, that kind of stuff, you know. Alright, let's go again, see if any gains. I can see big fluctuations now. You can see an open PNL. So something is changing a lot. I guess this one is. Should I take a let's see. I mean, gold would be for sure very interesting in this situation. Alright, let's look in the gold. Do you have a graph open for gold? I know there's a lot of golds, but let's go and see here, USD, the one in USD. Let's see gold in USD, how it's going. I mean, I'm not gonna invest in gold if it's going too much down. I do have sell now, but no fluctuations there, so not interesting. Yeah, gold will just trade when it's buying. Selling is not great right now. Okay, we have a little change here. Still nothing to do. Will we do another stream later? Yeah, I can do. Maybe do a little Fortnite. Why not? We can do Fortnite. Alright, oh, there's a little change to the green. Let's see. We're gonna repeat that. We did zoom in into the green for a second, but still back and low. It's kind of trying to break away, but gets blocked in the wall. Cannot close it. It's on a loss. What stable gain? Come on, stable. Oh, there you go. Up, up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Break there. Is everyone cashing out now? So it's just, I don't know, just keeping the price up or something. Or keeping the price down for some reason. Okay, we're gonna look away for now. USA 30 and USA 500 are gaining now. Okay, USA 30 is now interesting. Let's see. USA 30, where it is. Alright, let's see USA 30. it's gaining slowly. But this is the one I want to close now, so you can look away. Anything else just doesn't matter for me. It's too low to matter. Okay, let's look at this one. Looks like I'm a king with a crown on top of the sea. Yeah. Well, I'm glad if you like it. But my advice is first have a step back to get your brain into business mindset, because it's important to look everything from the market perspective. Like, if you do something that's not focused on the market, it's pretty waste of time. So if you wanna make videos and streams, let's say about games, let that be like something fun you do, but don't lose your focus on your main thing or business. So you have to have business somewhere, your focus on business somewhere. I do focus on my real job, and this is my like secondary thing that I do here. But you're gonna learn once you get deep down into data. Every video that you upload, you're gonna see some data about it, like how it goes through time. You will gain a few views. When a channel is new, YouTube will promote it a little bit more than usual. And if video is good, can blow up, or it can stagnate a lot. So data will be indicator of what you should do, pretty much. Come on, this is boring. Come on. Want it to go on green so I can close it and look away. It's pretty much stable on this price. Oh, come on. Alright, maybe something else is okay, USA, we do have a little bit on that one. No big gain though. Maybe I should close that. This is a little profitable. Let's close this with a gain of 50 or something, 40. No, we'll just leave it for now. Whatever happens, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Let it fluctuate, even if it goes negative, I don't care. Because the graph has a general growth. And this is kind of below the general growth curve line. I don't know, let's look at the graph again, this RSI, how that looks like. Yeah, that may go up now. Whatever, we don't need that. Gold is interesting, but I don't know. Look at this. This is just too crazy right now. Just stable like this. Like minus 300. Sometimes goes to green, but not much. Not too long. Not close the trade with that fluctuation. It's a big fluctuation, so there's no point just waiting it. Minus 25. Come on, don't make me close this on a loss. Big fluctuations are great, but why they happen so fast? I want to close on plus. These just don't want to go up on positive for me. Look at this. People are now probably waiting for this because it's a hot trade right now, and they're just looking at it and saying, like, are you kidding me? It's going all the way down now. What's happening? Hold on. Cannot close it, whatever. Let's leave it. That's gonna be big fluctuation right now. Close these positives. Even though they're low, just gonna close them. So I can more focus on other things. This one, 30, whatever, let's close it. NZD USD, let's close that one, it's positive, whatever. Something's happening. AUD USD, that wasn't positive, but for now there's no big change. Look at the fluctuation, this is crazy right now. It goes like 6,000 or something, now it's down, it's going really crazy. I guess GBP TRY makes the biggest fluctuation right now. Now it's minus 900, no way I'm gonna close on that one. We need it to be positive to close. Sometimes I do close negative, even if it's big negative. What's my biggest negative? Like minus 14 or so. Alright, let's see most popular, how they do now. Do we have any interesting ones? Any new interesting ones? We still cannot get like Germany 30, we cannot get much of it. Yeah, I'm just selling there, but it's stable right now, it's not in green. Alright, let's see what happens now. Let's see what's popular. I guess gas is popular, but I don't see any games with gas. Let's see how it goes there. It's most popular trade right now. Let's see the graph as well with this one. Alright, this is good. I can't see anything really. There's no changes right whatsoever. Yeah, it's very level, not like up or down. Why is this hot now? Maybe just because of that I can go into it. Just buy a little bit more. How much do I have of it? Yeah, I bought one, so nothing needed to do here. Yeah, we're not gonna change anything. Alright, let's see if this is stabilizing right now, or it's still going crazy. Seems like it's going crazy still. The thing is, it's not going crazy for me because there are lots of things that are closed now. Yeah, look at that. Everything that's interesting, all the gainers are closed. That's why buying is not going to be much profitable right now. So I'm pretty much going to chill here. I know it went down with equity, but it's still fine. There's lots of fluctuations in the market, so I can just chill right now. I don't really care of that right now. Let's see losers. Yeah, they're not here as well, so I cannot sell anything. Alright, let's just look at the regulars. Nothing much we can do. Natural gas, terrible. Euro to USD. Maybe it's gonna continue to gain. But I do have buy a little bit of that. It's still negative. Yeah, it's nothing there. No positive stuff. Come on, traders. Come on, currencies. I like fluctuation. That's when you enter the market. When there's a lot of fluctuation, there are a lot of buyers and sellers coming in, trying to gain something. So that's good. That's a lot of investment. That's good for buyers. For sellers, it can be time waste. Sellers need a lot of losers on the market, so they're just gonna need to wait for these to open. Gold is not gonna be a huge loser here, so not gonna be great for investing there. Alright, let's just wait, see what happens. You saw how fluctuating this market is. It's you cannot always close in positive. Like, look at this. For example, USA, it did close me on -10, even though there was like a positive there, but somehow it did close me on negative. But it's not huge. Like, if it's closed you negative, it shouldn't be huge. It's not terrible. You also got the donation. Yeah, I did get the donation. Thank you. Hilderos, I think it was. Yeah, Hilderos. That's very nice. Come on, I want to cash in now. Market is going crazy. I bought pretty much on the I just bought indicators, and I bought the hottest commodity for now. The most popular one. GBP TRY. It's not the most popular, but it's still popular. Still gaining there. And let's see how it's gonna move. Kind of dropping right now, but we'll see. Look at that. Stable. Maybe a little drop, but not huge. I don't know, I'm just waiting for gainers. Come on, gainers. Give me some gain. Silver, nothing. Well, I have the most important one open now. GBP TRY, that's hot right now. I do have it open. Gold, Euro to USD, I do have open. So from those things I can expect some gains, nothing else really. This one is too risky now. It kind of fluctuates too much. So this is not the real price for sure. Yeah, this is not the real value now. It's gonna really change a lot. We'll wait and see. I mean, Euro is gaining kinda these days. The whole last week, Euro was going up and up. I'm not sure why. Germany also, so maybe that's related. Like Germany and Euro, they're like hadn't had the same thing, I guess, in this market, but not always, of course, not always. You still need separate thing for those. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's see what else we can. Maybe stocks. Which one will be open? Other European country. All right, let's see what other European. Nothing is open really. So Europe is still closed. Hong Kong, nothing there. Xiaomi, nothing. Italy, nothing. Spain, come on. UK, United States, everything closed for sure. All right. Not stocks. Let's go. Commodities, precious metal. Those are open always. Anytime there's a trade, of course, you can trade gold, precious metals, and I guess currencies. They're always on the market. Currencies are always exchangeable. 24/7. Metals always have value in the market. Stocks, they don't have because it depends on the open market. If it's open, if not, not do anything. Agriculture commodities, that can be open, but it's not like if corn is available on the market, but corn holders are actually what you look if they put corn in the market or not. Look at this thing about cotton. Wow, cotton exploded in value for some reason. And now it's just stuck here and nothing happens. Alright, that's not important to look at. I don't think cotton will change that much value. This is overpriced, overblown price for it, because cotton is a recyclable. No one's gonna rush to buy that much from any market whatsoever. Alright, let's go. US treasuries, we don't need... I don't like treasuries actually, even though, yeah, the spiral here, that can be boring sometimes, like very, very boring. It can take like weeks and weeks to have something interesting happening there. I like markets, open markets for normal stuff. Mostly stocks, on companies to open. ETFs. I did trade TQQ. Let me show you that one. That's like early. Yeah, there it is here. Just got like 10 cents. That's like nothing. Very, very boring was. Alright, we don't need that. Alright, let's see if we have any gainers now on open trade. By the way, we're closing margin again to 50-50, so that's good. Something is gaining, and I'm not seeing it. Maybe Moderna, because I think it was like minus 1200, now it's below that a little bit. Okay, AUD, USD, it's still below 1300, but we're still gonna have it open, whatever. I still have like 50% margin to operate with. That's not gonna be crazy. Okay, this is around minus 700 right now. It's not big change. Yeah, this is not crazy. Gold is not crazy right now. And just a little gain. Nothing to make me rich, really. I will be right back, alright? Don't worry. I'm here. It's 1 a.m. for me, but I'll be here a little bit more. I want to follow the market. This is probably time consuming and a little boring, but if you focus on learning, then it becomes interesting. You don't, I mean, numbers are not interesting per se. It's not like visuals like games are, but learning is very fun. And it's nice when you close a trade in positive. That's really good. Sometimes it goes like in thousands, sometimes a few hundred. Can be anything. But you just pretty much don't close the trade in negative. Or try not to. Sometimes you just have to. This is kind of going down. Is it reversing this thing or just going down at all? Should I buy when it's cheap now? Let's buy one, whatever. Should be very cheap. Yeah, it's like less than $1. It's a very cheap indicator. Wow, this is going below 1,000. Alright, doesn't matter. You'll know positive. Come on. There are a lot of fluctuations again. I cannot close anything. I don't want to lose my balance, so I'm just chilling right now. As you can see here, balance doesn't change unless I close the deal or close the deal. So that's pretty chill right now. That's what's matter, I guess, at the end. Just keeping the balance high more and more. I mean, Euro and USD still high. I don't think USD would be that low. As you can see, it's leveling up right now. It might start to go down very soon, so I'm still buying there, but I don't know, we'll see. Is gold reversing right now? Ah, come on, gold. I want gold to go berserk now. And I'm still minus $3. Come on, I bought the cheapest one, but not great really. So I guess gold is expensive right now in the market. People are scared to get in, so it's leveling up. So people who buy it normally, like dealers, they're gonna buy it in any price. So, and not new people are gonna come here to fluctuate the price. So we have a level, nothing interesting. Come on, if gold goes at any point, it can start going nuts up and down. I want to be there when it happens, get some, and that's gonna be all I need for today. So there we go. If you go with like $100,000 in entry, or maybe $100, you can just look at 100,000 this, or just like $100. For one day, you might just get a few dollars, but you can also get like thousands and thousands. Or you can lose thousands if you don't want to wait, or you think something will crash. Gold will not crash during crisis, so it's gonna be leveled up on the high market, but you're not gonna gain anything there. This is nothing. Yes, 500, USA 500 should be the most interesting. One of the most interesting stuff, not just gold. Come on, gold, do something. We need you. Oh, look at that. We were minus 3, now we're minus 84. 0.84. I'm gonna watch closely and then steal your taxi and become the second Elon Musk. Well, as I say, if you look at just the numbers, if you enter with 100,000 balance, daily your earnings can fluctuate between like few $100 to a few thousand, up and down. So over time, like at the end of the month, like percentage wise, you can expect some 10% gain if you're good, or like few percentage gain if you're not that great but patient. The most important thing is to be patient. As you can see, I can close any of these deals in the loss, but I'm just waiting for some gains. Okay, silver is in gain. All right. Okay, we get like $1 or something, a little bit. So that's low, but I enter very low as well. So that's not terrible. Oh, 140. I'm gonna close that one and see the graph. So the thing is, when I open with the, when I get when I buy with the lowest price, this is just to have an indicator. So whenever something gets positive, I can open the graph of that. So let's go and go favorite and go silver. See what happened there. Yeah, there's no crazy change right now, so we're gonna wait a little bit. It's still high, silver is still high, and it's too leveled for me to enter it, so just pretty much take the trade on a gain, close the trade on the gain of $1.40. That's all I'm gonna need from that. It's very low compared to like thousands that I have in, so. Alright, it's something. Come on. All right, gold is now in plus. Look at that. Gold is raising a little bit. We have positive here. I'm gonna leave it now because it's very low. I don't care like if I lose $1 or 2 or 10, whatever. Just want to see indication. Let's close silver. We don't need that. Go with gold. That can go berserk right now, any moment. So how I know if this goes berserk? So let me hope you can see the graphs well. If you see the graph below, the second graph, it does have like the steeps very high. So if this steep continues even more, hope you see this when I zoom in, RSI here. If this continue, this is fluctuating right now, but if this continue up a little more and steep, I can get into that. That would be a great indicator. But for now, I'm just gonna be happy with the low if it goes to green. Alright, this one also into green. NZD, YP, JPY. Alright, we're gonna close that one and we're gonna open it. Let's see. Where's NZ? Alright, there we go. Cannot enter anything here, so just close this one. Alright, at least we got some gain there. That's what we wanted. Alright, this one kind of lets me down. Cannot close it with positive. It's all the way to -1000 now. That's terrible. Alright, guess we need to wait right now. Gold, come on gold. And now it's fluctuating down. Alright, we're gonna keep an eye on it. So from this stream, the few things you should look into is this balance, if it's going up and down. We'll look into like in the end of the stream and minus what we had in the beginning of the stream, and you can see how much I can gain or lose. I'm not an expert in this field, so you can pretty much have an indication of what to expect pretty much. All right, let's see what's going on right now. Still crazy market, but no gainers, no losers. Let's see what's the most popular right now. Gas. What the hell with gas? Not doing anything, just staying there. Come on, gas. What else? Gold. USA 2000. What is going on here? Look at this graph. And it have like few big fluctuations. It's kind of going down, maybe, but it's still kind of leveling up as well. Let's see RSI. Yeah, there's no changes. We need bigger changes than this to get into USA 2000. Nothing really. It's like in the middle of this lower graph. There's not like in the lowest point or the highest, just level. And that's like in the most popular ones. Like what the... And the biggest gainers are not open at all. Sugar, look at that. Sugar is the bigger gainer. I think sugar is like the biggest commodity of today's world that people don't talk about, because in many products there's a lot of products, modern products, that are not available like hundreds of years ago. that are now available just because of new methods of processing sugar. So sugar is like gold, and look at this crazy gain right now. Let's just go into this. Should we expect a little more gain with it? But I cannot get into that, so pretty much gonna play with the most fluctuating at the moment, which is GBP TRY, and it's still going down like crazy. All right, we're not gonna close that. All right, AUD USD on sale. We can close that one. A little gain. Let's see. Yeah, there a little gain on that one, like 8 cents, but not gonna be that interesting really. Not gonna even open the graph for it. All right, let's go. Maybe look at it. There's nothing really. Let's go A to Z. Which one was it? AUD USD. It's this one. I'm selling that one. Graph is terrible. It's in the low, so I probably should be buying here more than selling. Yeah. And I actually got gain on selling it. Like what? Yeah, there's nothing here interesting, so as I said, I don't even need to look at it. Too boring. Come on. Any positives right now? No. Let me rewind the stream to the beginning, see how much I had on the beginning of the stream. You can do that as well, just to see how I'm going. Just look at the balance here on the top left corner. So I started with 104,711, and I didn't get any good returns now, so I'm 104,923. So it's like $200 gain in this time if I would invest like 100,000. So there you go. Like, I'm not professional, but I have a lot of margin used already in the market. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna chill right now and look at the and wait for the pluses to come my way. Even though there's this open PNL is still going down, I'm not concerned that much. Maybe I should just get this GBP TRY. Come on, in sale. Let's sell a little bit. Let's sell like 0.1. Yeah, let's see if we're gonna get anything from that one. It's very low. It's only $3, but if selling works well, then we can at least cover some of these losses, so we can get gains. Yeah. But that's how you can win, like with buying and selling at the same time. Just when there's a lot of fluctuation, if it's going straight down quickly, then selling would be great idea. But if it's going up quickly, then buying is gonna be a great idea. But if you do both, then if it's fluctuating much, you can gain on both of them, because you're gonna close in a different time. So let's try that. If this goes to green, I'm just gonna copy that one and we'll close this one. Maybe we should even sell like one, just so don't waste too much time here. But margin is still on 50, so still great. Margin like 2/3 is like average, but I'm much below average right now into the market because there's nothing open, nothing interesting is open. So if this all is open, I would be like probably like 70,000 or so. AMD, let's see AMD how they work. I know they release a lot of processors, but there's a supply and demand issue right now. Yeah, it's fluctuating. So I guess whenever they release a product, put a lot of products in the market, prices will not go down, but will level. But when there's less products, price are gonna go up. So AMD is very fluctuating, and that's good. That's where you buy and sell at the same time. And let's see RSI how it's going right now. Just for fun. It's not open for trade, so you can only look at it for fun. And it's very level. This is crazy. There's zero things happening in this. Look at this. It's the most level graph I've ever seen on this market. It's crazy. So fluctuation is like all that is here. Buy and sell, both of them. Alright, let's see what else. Let's see most popular, but if any is closed. Okay, we don't have any most popular closed ones. Alright, we have no green still. Alright, here, what's open now? Nothing new open. Heating oil. What about heating oil? What's happening there? Dropping down. It was a big drop, but now it's leveling up now. Let's see RSI on this one. Maybe this is gonna be a hot thing to do. We need fun stuff to do. We need fun trades. Heating oil will not be a fun trade, but maybe we gain something so it becomes fun. Alright, let's see. It's leveling. Yeah, nothing interesting. It's kind of little gain. Will we buy a little? Yeah, just buy the cheapest one to get the indication here and close the graph. We're not gonna look at it unless it gets into green. Alright. Okay, while we wait, I can give you like few of my advices if you're starting this for fun or you wanna start with low investment. My advice is go with the cheapest one, buy and sell both. Just for example, if you go with, I don't know, the most popular one would be euro and dollar, then just buy and sell on both of them on the cheapest one, and look at the indication over time. Look at the graph where you get the most gain or get the most loss, and wherever you get the most gain, you can increase your buying, like get a little more into that, but never do that unless on the graph you have a low price. So for example, currency is always going to be there. It's not something that's going to be it's going to vanish, because the government's going to keep the price, the availability of money pretty level. It's not going to be that much different, but the graph, if it's too low, that means it most likely is going to be up at some point, so you're not going to lose anything, or not going to lose too much if you buy in when it's low and you have a lot of indication for growth. If you want to sell it, then just look when it's the highest price and start selling from that one. It doesn't matter where it's end. If you just keep on sale on the high price, even if it's going down, you're still gonna get a lot of price, a lot of return for your investments. Because if you start from the highest price and going down, all the margin of sale you're gonna get in return, so it's not gonna be huge. It's very simple, but it can be time consuming. So for example here, let's say USA 500, you can see a general gain. So in that one you can only buy when it's like here we have little losses here. Let me show you. Maybe I have like little close trades on that one, so I can show you. USA 500, and I got only 4 cents, but it's a general growth, but not steep growth. The ones with the most fluctuation, we're gonna get the biggest growth, the biggest gain you can get. So Germany did have like big fluctuations, but I don't think it's gonna happen again. Not today. It's all about other things. So yeah, basically that's what my recommendation is. If you're new, just look at the prices if they are like the all-time highest, and if the graph is generally going high, that doesn't mean it's gonna start dropping very quickly. So you probably should buy when it's like not going generally high, but is at some point where it's lower, like a local low. That means if you zoom in the graph in like past few days, if it's starting to go low, then you probably should buy a little bit, but not much, because it may level up and you're pretty much gonna get stuck with your investment. You cannot gain anything whatsoever. It's just gonna be dead in the water. It's not gonna move like weeks. But when it's fluctuating like this GBP TRY, don't be scared if it's go like crazy. It's crazy low, because you can recover anytime, because that's what fluctuation means. We'll see how much we can get. I think that if this ends up like a huge gain, this is going to be the best return. If not, it's going to stay here probably a few days, if not more, before it sees any gain. All right, now we see a little gain on it, and you can see how it goes like 1,000 now, and goes 900, sometimes goes even positive or something like that. Goes into green, but not closing that one. We can look at the graph of it now here. Kind of indicating growth, but not much. It does grow, as you can see here, but still not that steep. It's a local growth. You can see here where it's steep growth on the lower graph, for example. It does look like it's growing fast here, but it's a local growth. We don't see another spike. If the next spike is a little higher, or even if it's level, that maybe sign can get a little longer growth. So it's a good investment I got early, even though it's very low right now. We're gonna keep an eye on that one. Alright, let's close that one. I think grid will be the best deal here. Yeah, we can see like that. Alright, no greens, no greens. We need greens. That means money. That means money in the pocket. Because the balance is what you can take from the market. This is what you have. Like, this is your money. And anything that ends that you end day with is what you take home, pretty much. If you close all trades now, this is gonna be balance minus this number, and you get equity. But we're not gonna close anything, so balance is still there. As you can see, it's not changing; it's still there. All right. Okay, we get some gain in gold. Let's go. And it's dropped. Come on, gold. Don't do me like that. We only get the cheapest one bought for gold, so it's just an indicator still. Gold is not going to be that hot of a commodity, and now it's -$1, but for the longer run, it's really great because it goes all the way from the very, very low to much higher. And it does have a lot of fluctuation, so yeah, it's nice. Gold is very nice investment at the right point in time. All right, still no greens. All right, gold was there on the green, but not huge. We need another spike to get into that. Any suggestion you guys have, whoever's watching the stream, like what should we try? Maybe trade. You suggest here, like oil, any precious metal, any currency exchange, like AUD, CHF, or whatever it is you want. Some exotic ones, like like currencies, exotic currency pairs. What's this? Okay, this one is not open. We don't need to look at that. Let's see China. What's China doing right now? China seems interesting right now. Yeah, let's see the indicator here. It's leveling up. It's high. It's pretty high, but it's kind of leveling up. If I should start selling from here, I don't have indication of going down, so just gonna wait for it. What's this? Israel? What is that doing? There's no changes whatsoever. It's so leveled, it's crazy. How about Norway? Maybe local growth. Oh, look at that. There's little growth. Let's see RSI again. I mean, it's in high point right now, so yeah, nothing there. We'll just get one for loss for sale. Yeah, I'm just gonna get with like $2, see how it goes over time. Norway. Alright, Norway. Well, we bought one indicator, so we'll see how Norway does. I would suggest everyone to at least look into this, at least on those markets where you can play with free money, with play money, so you don't have to actually use any real money, and play on the same market as people with real money. So that way you're gonna teach yourself and see what's good and bad. You're gonna teach yourself to look in the market from the perspective of looking at the whole world, because everything in the world is in the same market. I did make you a video. I told you that as well, because selling sugar or selling gold, for example. Let me show you again. Here, for example, gold in USD. You can find, let's see, yeah, gold in GBP, gold in different places, different currencies can have different values, but it's not like you just look at the whole market and it's not localized at some point. But at the end, all those changes are going to influence the whole world at some point, at some way or another. There are local changes, but at the end, they're going to follow like the same general trajectory. So everything you do, everything it's happening in the market is going to influence everything else. So you have to look into that from the not just local perspective, but the world as well. All right, let's see if any gains we have. Still nothing, no greens here. Okay, so let's see if we actually USD and Norway we started to sell. Let's actually buy as well. I'm gonna buy with a few dollars here. Let's see which one goes up and or down. All right, GBP we get. Okay, look at that. We get a few dollars here. Let's close that one. Close trade with $7. There we go. Look at that in sale. But we need that in buy, and that's going crazy right now. It's like minus 7,000 into the market. I will need to chill with that a little bit more. Let's see what's happening there. All right, let's look at the full screen on that one. Let's go all the way here. Okay, so it's still growing. So just have a local drop. Still kind of general growth has here. Look at this. All right, still no panic there. I mean, there's no panic because we can wait for a longer time. Doesn't matter. It's fluctuating like crazy right now. That's great. That's good. Even though it's in the red, but fluctuation is great to see. Norway, that is where alkaline is from. Yeah. Well, the thing is, in business, doesn't really matter. The things that don't matter in business is physical things, location, stuff like that. They don't matter. What matters is pretty much knowledge for the future, what you get from past, and what you're focusing on for the future, like where you want to go or where you want to be, not where you are right now. So in this market, we just don't look in the losses because everything is going to be in the loss because we pretty much buy when it's dropping down, and that we're buying when it's in a local low, but with indication for the future growth. So if you saw a little earlier, it was like minus 7,000. Now it's like minus 5,800. So a big fluctuation in the market right now. We don't have like the gainers in the market right now. So gonna chill with gold pretty much, waiting for gold to be interesting again. We're still buying gold, but still not going into positive whatsoever. Wow, this stream already 2 hours. It didn't feel like 2 hours. All right. Well, that's the thing. If you get into this trading, time passes pretty fast, even though when you do this, it feels very slow. Because all you look into some numbers, they're not interesting whatsoever. I mean, you can give up anytime, just cash in the positive and wait for another day and trade, like do this day trade, not just trading all day, but just look every day for what's going on. So we can just leave right now. We can leave and play some Fortnite. Do you want me to leave and play some Fortnite? we can play some Fortnite. I can do right now. We don't have anything indicated that's gonna grow. This one went all the way down below 2000. Right? We don't need that many of these losses. Alright, I think we'll just leave everything else. Alright, we'll stop the stream right now. Yeah, let's play some Fortnite. This is all play money, we don't really care about any of this. So, yeah, we're gonna leave right now. Thanks for watching, whoever came for this stream. We'll be back very soon for Fortnite. Get ready, you can play with us as well, even if you weren't here before. Alright, bye.